In front of me is Honor Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Biometrics and Password. Then tap on Face Recognition, enter your screen lock and tap on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to enable or disable this option. Then hit Get Started. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then click Enable or Later in Face Recognition with Surgical Must pop up. Manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can start Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!